Now, after being beaten in last year's final, Hot Grabba went one better, capturing the Andre Russell 8-a-side Old Harbour Community Football title. That with a 1-0 victory over All Stars at the Port Esquivel Sports Club. Lavon Williams came up trumps with the winner in the 51st minute as he took Hot Grabba home with the winning trophy and $300,000.
Just hard work and determination. First and foremost, I want to say thanks to my teammates, as I say. And I was my second consecutive final, so could come lose one, you get what I say?
Amanda Wright of Hot Grabba was the tournament's MVP. Williams was the leading scorer in the competition. Roston Harrison of Hot Grabba, the top goalkeeper, and Kimani Gibbons of All Stars, the most promising young player. Tournament organizer Andre Russell is promising more for next season.
To where the tournament start, like who would have thought we would be having so many Premier League footballers playing in this tournament. It started off with just 10 teams from $30,000, and now the prize money is $300,000, and I believe in sportsmen getting paid. So at the end of the day, I'm trying to get more sponsors on board next year, and my goal is actually to get this league to 500 grand next year, or maybe $1 million if the sponsors come on board. So this is what I'm doing for my community. This is where everything starts, and I just love it. So this is me doing back something for my community.